Hi guys, it's Brianna here, and today I am unboxing another Onyxbox. And this month, I really have no clue what's in it. I've seen some of the things that they have like advertised on Instagram, but I'm not really sure if, those items are in the box. So let's see what's in the box. This is the graphic, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love this. Like, I wish, I don't even know. Lord, it just looks so good. Like, the graphics are awesome in this box. In full bloom. It's a fat black women are the prototype for everything new, now, and next. We inspire, we shine, we influence. Allow us to take a moment to embrace our natural ability to shift narratives and impact culture. As you continue to blossom into a better version of yourself, enjoy this beauty boutique filled with proper nourishment to flourish this season. And thank you for being our inspiration to create on it, a space to acknowledge, celebrate, and bask in our beauty. Honest and full bloom. So look like we have a perfume from Estee Lauder, a microfiber hair wrap. I've never used one of those before, so okay. Look like we have Kane and Austin miracle pads, a hair nourishment oil, and also a lipstick. Modern Muse Estee Lauder perfume. I've never smelled this before. It's a roller ball. See what it smells like. And I was in Lush one time, and the lady told me to dab the perfume, not rub. She said just to dab it a little bit. That smells pretty good. It smells like pretty clean. Nothing too strong. I'll have to let it calm down a little bit on my skin. It looked like we have 5 miracle pads from Kane and Austin. So it says, our most intensive facial treatment to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and large pores, and the appearance of age spots. So I would do this in the morning. In the evening, swipe pad over clean face, avoiding eye area. I probably would just use this once a day. Let me open it up for you. I have used a miracle pad before. So it comes in this little packet, and you get 5 pills. So I'll get 5 days worth of these. And then we have some Everyday Botanicals hair oil. So this is the hair oil that you get. Comes in a bag, and this is the container for it, or the bottle. You get 1 ounces of it. 1 fluid ounce is natural tea tree oil, lavender, horsetail, a bunch of different stuff I don't know. So let's check out the consistency of this. It's going to take a while to pump out. Goodness. Ooh. Smells like a normal oil that you will put on your hair. It smells like, medicated, with the tea tree especially. I don't know if this promotes growth or whatever. So it's just supposed to deeply nourish your hair follicles and stuff like that. This is a lipstick, like a pinkish color. Let's see what color it is. So that's not bad. I could use this as an everyday lip. Just throw on really quick. And it didn't break. I don't know if you can actually use this as a hair bow, but this was tied around here. And I may actually use this today. It says it's supposed to reduce drying time, reduces hair frizz, leaves hair ready to be styled. And it's just a regular hair microfiber hair wrap. It's a normal hair wrap. And it has the company name on the side. Sleeky, I don't know. Nice and long. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in this box. the perfume from Estee Lauder, the lipstick from Douce, I want to say, maybe, I don't know. And then we have the Kane and Austin Miracle Pads. We have the hair wrap. And then we have the oil, natural and curly oil. Hair nourishment oil, honey. It's going to help your hair flourish. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you like what you're watching.